Hello and welcome to Repairing with Beetstech. Today we're going to do a pretty easy repair that's just replacing your bottom case. You might think, oh, who needs to do that? But you might have a missing foot thing like this, or maybe your bottom case is like this. I'm not going to take out all these screws, but two of these screws that go here and here are a little bit shorter than the rest of the screws. Don't put these long screws in here where the short screws go, otherwise they're going to stick out a little bit and they're going to scratch up your nice coffee table or your nice corduroy pants. I'm going to set that aside, and I've already got one that needs to come out of the oven. Pretty sure I'm just going to fast forward through this part. Just pop that open, take your new bottom case, which is not the same one that I just took off of there. Pop it back on there, put your screws back in, and ipso facto, you're done.